Bullish GMT value forecast is $0.8397 to $2.2590. stepn GMT cost could likewise reach $3 soon. Bearish GMT cost expectation for 2022 is $0.5425. In stepn GMT cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Rival, and other data about GMT to break down the future development of the digital money. stepn GMT current market status. The cost of stepn GMT is $0.608605 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $126,838,796 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, GMT has diminished by almost 2.1% as of now. Besides, stepn GMT has a flowing inventory of 1,499,470,108 GMT. Presently, stepn GMT exchanges digital money trades like Binance, Bitrue, OKX, Whitebit, OKX, P2P B2B. What is stepn GMT? stepn GMT is the administration badge of stepn. stepn is a transition to procure M2E NFT game based on top of the Solana blockchain. This Web3 way of life application was made by the Australian firm Find Satoshi Labs and sent off in late 2021. stepn utilizes a double symbolic model, Green Metaverse Token, GMT, and Green Satoshi Token, GST. GMT fills in as the administration token though GST is utilized for buying the in-game components, for example, stepn's popular NFT shoes. stepn empowers clients to acquire cryptos for running, strolling, or running. stepn GMT value expectation 2022. The above graph of stepn GMT spread out the falling wedge design. In a falling wedge design, both the upper pattern line which interfaces the highs and the lower pattern line which associates the lows unite downwards. The wedge design overall demonstrates a pattern inversion. Particularly, the falling wedge flags a bullish inversion. This example demonstrates a breakout in the cost pattern towards a rise. Presently, stepn GMT is in the scope of $0.6223. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of GMT could arrive at the opposition levels of $0.8185 and $1.1241. On the off chance that the pattern inverts, the cost of GMT might tumble to $0.5683. The diagrams show that stepn GMT has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, GMT could run alongside the bulls overwhelming its opposition level at $2.2590. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of stepn GMT could plunge to nearly $0.5425, a negative sign. stepn GMT value expectation 2022, Rival, Mama, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of stepn GMT, is displayed in the outline underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of GMT lies underneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal, Mama, of stepn GMT, is displayed in the graph above. Remarkably, stepn GMT cost lies under 50 Mama, present moment, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, GMT has entered a negative state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of GMT whenever. In the interim, the overall strength file, RSI, of the GMT is 41.00. This implies that stepn GMT is in an oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of GMT might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. stepn GMT value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record, ADX, of stepn GMT. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of stepn, GMT. As of now, the ADX of GMT lies in the scope of 15.4148 and hence, it demonstrates a frail pattern. The above outline likewise addresses the general instability record, RVI, of stepn, GMT. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of GMT lies over 50, demonstrating high unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of stepn, GMT, is at 41.00, in this way affirming a potential purchase signal. From the above outline, we can decipher that the cost activities GMT is a disparate pattern regarding BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments, the cost of GMT diminishes. Also, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of GMT increments. stepn, GMT, Value Expectation 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, stepn, GMT, could presumably accomplish $4 by 2023. stepn, GMT, Value Expectation 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, stepn, GMT, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, GMT could revitalize to hit $5 by 2024. stepn, GMT, Value Forecast 2025. If stepn, GMT, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, GMT would revitalize to hit $6. stepn, GMT, Value Expectation 2026. If stepn, GMT, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, GMT would revitalize to hit $7. stepn, GMT, Value Expectation 2027. If stepn, GMT, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, GMT would energize to hit $8. stepn, GMT, Value Forecast 2028. stepn, GMT, holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, GMT would hit $9 in